box plots using Tableau Public. I'm not a Tableau professional, so if you find that I'm doing something that I could have done easier, let me know. I'm looking for a way to do that easier. Okay, so my dataset has two columns. It's a CSV data file. Two columns. One is categorical. It's a class name, 4 classes. The other column is value. It is numeric. The dataset is one-dimensional, although there is no ID for each data point. Each data point can only be identified implicitly by the row in this data table. I have now imported that dataset already into my Tableau public website here. So this is my dataset. It seems like it has been processed correctly. And now I have created a new sheet because I wanted to start clean, and I drag my class to columns as one does. I don't get anything yet because I need to also drag my values to rows. However, once I do that, I get this aggregation of values. I get sum of values, and there is no option here to get rid of that aggregation and just show the values as they are. Yeah, so there's no none in the aggregation. I'm kind of forced to aggregate all the values per class. Now, if I do switch them to dimensions, I do get the individual data points, even though it feels weird to now go from measures to dimensions just because I want to show the values separately. And now if I do that, I cannot use anything from here. Like, I want to use this box and whisker plot, but I cannot do that. If I bring my aggregation back, I do get box and whisker plot, which I can start using now. It messes my graph. It puts my class from the columns into the details and just makes a one plot for all the classes, but I can put class back into the columns. Then I have one value per class, just like I had before, but now I have this collapsed version of box and whisker plot. But now, if I do go to my values here in the rows and I change them to dimensions, now I get something. I think this looks like the data that I've generated. The distributions look reasonable, but I think I also have achieved that through a hack. So let me know if you know like a proper way to achieve what I've done here, or if I made any mistake, let me know.